Morning. So many countries are aggressively rolling out vaccines, to bolster economic recovery, and it seems to be working. At least investors are optimistic and most risk assets are doing well. Yesterday though, after several winning sessions, the buying kind of paused. So the S&P closed barely in the red but still around record highs. The Nasdaq closed flat and then the Dow closed down slightly. Then the 10-year yield still sat at 1.62%. The dollar and gold are flat. So it's a pretty steady place to be at right now. Now looking at Bitcoin, after two down days, the pause had kind of an opposite effect. So the session had some traders worried with many longs getting liquidated and price touching intraday lows of 53K. But then we eventually actually closed the session up, just 1.5%, but up nonetheless. Now, as touched upon yesterday, it was fascinating to see that the Bitcoin dominance was going down during Bitcoin's down action, and typically it's the other way around, right? And even more interesting is that as Bitcoin recouped, the dominance is still closing down. So investors are undeniably either allocating fresh capital or some of their Bitcoin holdings / profit to alts. Now, among the alts to benefit, Cardano and Tezos are the outperformers in USD term and Bitcoin term, and then also Zcash and Monero, so two privacy coins, gained on all fronts. Now, on a broader scale, I like to look at exchange flows, and while the on-exchange reserve of coins is still at a historically low level, which is good for price, I'm seeing hints of changes where the supply has grown slightly in the past few days. Now, this might just be a temporary move, but I thought it was interesting to point out because it might hint at further reversal. Now, on a more macro level, fascinating to see a flurry of news coming through and all pretty supportive. So eToro and Kraken, which are both offering crypto trading, are thinking of public listing. We also saw 4 firms listing for Bitcoin ETF in the past few months. So not that they're accepted, but they apply. So Vanek, Valkyrie, NYDG, and Wisdom Tree. And then lastly, but definitely not least, the BOJ is experimenting with CBDC, so central bank digital currencies, in the spring of this year. So it'll be very interesting to see how that goes and what that means for blockchain technology. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.